Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been sick. I tried to get up and move too early, went back down. Everything is fine. Alright, so I have a small Walmart haul for you. I just got some things to get us through this weekend because it's a long weekend. I don't want to go out. I had today off. I had my liver scan, or my stomach scan. They scanned like my stomach and my liver and my kidneys and whatever, appendix, all that stuff that's in there. So we'll know how all that's going in a few days. Yay. So here's what I got. This was on clearance for, I love Honey Bunches of Oats, but they had Honey Bunches of Oats sugar cookie, and it's on clearance for $1.24. That is dollar store price. We'll take that. We like popcorn, especially if you put this on it. Hold on. You can find this in the popcorn aisle, and it's great because there are no additives, gluten-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, and powered by air. So we got that. It's really good on the popcorn. Now look, I'm already on maybe theater popcorn, but I'm just telling you. Add a little spot of this to it. 0 calories. Not 2 calories. 0.25 total fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, no carbohydrates, no fiber, sugars, no vitamin D, no calcium, iron, potassium. Ain't nothing in there but air. So we get that. I got this because I either want to have chili dogs or I bought these cups. Oops, but I just broke them all. Anyway, and I like to fill them with chili and then put cheese and sour cream. Okay, I broke them all. That's great. I got these for my coffee bar. Never gotten them before. Thought it would be fun. Since I do decorate my coffee bar for Valentine's. Got sour cream. Got some more coffee creamer. I know I'm out at work. I'm not sure if I'm out here, but we can always move on to the next flavor. I got this for tonight. Chicken pot pie. Oven is heating. I got sweet potatoes because these are my baby's favorite, or my big grown adult son's favorite. And I like them too. If I put cinnamon and spices on them, yeah, it's good. And then we've needed these. We keep forgetting to get these, so now we have them. Let's go check upstairs what I got from Amazon. All right, so I have filmed this portion of the Amazon haul once, and it did not work. We're going to try it again. So I got a 4-pack for like $10 of Fitbit Versa 4 watch bands, and this is the 4th one. I've put it on. I need to clean my screen. I need to charge it. I've had 1471 steps. The reason why I like my Fitbit Versa over my Apple Watch is because it gives me numbers. 1471 is the amount of steps I've taken. On the Apple, it's these little rings. We don't know how much we've walked. We just walked half a ring. How many is that? I need numbers. My OCD is in numbers and symmetry. So we count steps and we count stairs when we go up them, and we count we like numbers. Okay, great. Here's 3. They're the same colors as my Apple Watch because I love a neutral. It goes with everything that I wear. Fabulous. I ordered for a second time the 40-piece set, which consists of 40 envelopes and 40 5x7 magnetic sheets. And I double them up. I put one in the front and one in the back, and I will have like dies together. So that means if I have ice skates on this side, I'm going to put snowflakes on this side. If I have a suitcase on this side, I'm going to have a tropical drink on this side. Right? I like to utilize both sides. Then I have a separator that tells me spring, summer, vacation, Christmas, fall, winter, whatever, Valentine's Day. I do have to move these into my clear bins because right now they're just in one of those dollar store plastic gray bins, and I'm outgrowing because I go through these addictions where I'm like, I have to have every die. Well, now I have to have every plant. Well, now I have to have every cute little sock. Well, now okay, great. So, we're trying to house all of our dies, and I think I'm going to be good for a little while and not buy any more because I have quite a few dies that I haven't even tried out. Okay, last item that I got from Amazon, really cute. Well, not cute, but really fun, is a laminator. It is a dupe to the Q Fun. The Q Fun costs $50, was the cheaper one. They go up to like $90. This is the laminating sheets that come in various sizes. The opening on this, I think, is supposed to be 12 inches. I put in 13 inches, but only the Q Fun is a 13 inch. And I said, well, paper cardstock only comes in 12 by 12, so this is fine. But it's the exact same thing. It has the exact same stuff up here. It has the exact same thing up here, cold, 3 mil, 5 mil, on and off. It has the cutter with the rings, with the corner punch, with the hole punch, and this was like $20, $21. I said, well, I will try that. That is worth trying. Okay. For me, because I'm cheap. Have we met? My name is Leslie. And so, yeah. And the reason why I got this is because I was watching Leave It to Lisa Crafts, and she laminated some pouches, and then she sewed them and made them zipper pouch. We're going to be pulling out the sewing machine, everything. I have the largest haul coming for you guys this week. It'll probably be broken into 2 parts, if not 3. So it might just be a week of hauls. I don't know what we're going to do. Instead of planning tomorrow with you, I will probably do a haul. You know, I want to do a haul. I want to do a plan with me. I want to do an exercise routine. My dieting. I want to talk to you about my liver scans. I have so many things I want to do, but only so many hours in the day to film, edit, upload. So maybe I have a month's worth of stuff that we're just going to have to roll out, but I'm going to have to get these hauls done first because it's all over my craft room floor and I can't move. That is so fantastic. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. Okay, for those of you that are new, let's just introduce you to my life. This is my life. And this is my motto. Okay? It's fine. I'm fine. We even have it conveniently. Let's see if we can conveniently find that. Right here. It's fine. Okay. I'm fine. Everything is fine. This is me. And this is my life. Everything is fine. Alright guys, thanks for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when my huge hauls come. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.